Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use multiple game instances. First, you'll want to select a suitable multi-instance manager or emulator that supports your game. Once chosen, carefully configure each individual instance with distinct settings. This ensures they operate independently without any conflicts. Remember to allocate enough system resources, ideally at least 2 GB of RAM for each running instance. So, why would you want to run multiple game instances? Well, it's incredibly useful for managing several game accounts at the same time, boosting your overall efficiency. You can also use it to thoroughly test new game features or strategies across various profiles, giving you a comprehensive view. Plus, with the right tools, you can even automate repetitive in-game tasks, saving you valuable time and effort. Building a loyal audience and earning revenue are key aspects of Substack. You can offer both free and paid subscription tiers, allowing readers to choose how they support your work. Actively promote your publication across various social media platforms to reach new potential subscribers. Engaging with your readers through comments and notes fosters a strong community. Substack simplifies the monetization process by handling all payment processing, taking a 10% cut from paid subscriptions, so you can focus on writing. For advanced users, consider utilizing separate proxy servers for each instance. This can help prevent potential IP bans, especially when managing many accounts. It's also crucial to regularly update both your instance manager and your game client software to ensure compatibility and access the latest features. If you encounter any specific issues, don't hesitate to consult online community forums. They are a fantastic resource for troubleshooting and finding solutions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.